angel or prophet now who nasa as a human being or angel because a radical fire papa so share comes and never pon and or share come say but who say you for brobi safu phone and never say na that's all and kwada to say na bibi wom also for me marking me and kakaka but I didn't mama tia pan say o prophet so here angel say and now your point no ye nyoma ina ko fie na sofo ba kwa make na say urade afa papa so mo no kwa brochi ono okofa aduane ne ba ye okofa aduane ba ye for the promise okofa aduane ba ke na me tena say iti ye bi aduane so ka say hey me hu ena ba kwa da di kan podin me hu ya me say ah promise shena boy ana so ka say yes champagne no ana say that day no say ye angel ya papa na ye hu ni say angel be fi soro be senata ba ke that empia ya papa no anka say ojan entia na yo give for no ye angel ah de man sa de ye di ya ka bibia de eto ye what I say enu ti bible ka say je urade di na wo betim na mama jewudi for di na wo beti ye no che say sa de ye di ya ka ye wie ye na de aba no enti wo angel mo no and the papa kind no when angel someone no omo ba in a way to warn you angel to me you feel a how na no why dey we see a pen a no ready person we see so angel to prompt you say dey we here dey jai angel sma obi a wagoto etumi bia obi wo ha ba sorry wa hu say na wi agopa no so do wa first prophecy wa dey fa ni di for back at say ma me ndi ayo say na ready fano so send at that moment no angel ss o send you panu kula you ni fatiti mo ana esi no angel no chese ya get angel of change obi nya change wunya sesa ne ya wode aba ma wunya sesa bia wo hwe so bi be akwante but urade ma de ogina won chen na wani hu na o ye angel if it's a da na testimony wa me me say ya musa ya hu ko bible say ya papa ye angel enka sa de ye di ya enka sa da no nka bibi ye de what I say it's a little say angels they do things in different ways in correction in reviving in a whole lot of things it is a whole about who say and I did me papa say the all can yet see what the fan program by Bible say our Daniel chapter now say but Daniel understand the things of God by the books. And not just said Daniel was a prophet, and he's able to detest that this is the day I was ready in the murder. Every person, and so to me, person, I want it to just say, for different who said this is the time I ready to do there, and the man and the ready pass one cast on your debako, or so on your affair, and it just a rather than a flip what your year, Saturday or the other there, and it won't show me. Every would give me the whole this I don't know, but who said, a rather for different so I can say, angel of change. It is a woman had the house of bed, a bit also. It is a woman baby, I won't say, and what you know, no one trouble to, and I'm an engine bed, but you will feel, yes, so few.
What kind of, but you, something like that was so on your comment. Don't fight. A program every year. Don't fight so every year. Every year, we are off for every year, we are off for Sunday. We are power check. Any program we it's a program we pass once a year.
Once a year.
Oh yeah, we have no tip. I can tell one. I feel it's the power. One can tell one face letter.
But yeah, what hunting?
Hey! Yeah, because of you, Baba, we have a job. And then when you're found, yes, I travel your situation.
Because of the center, your papa said, you need a touch. You need a touch. I don't just have a friend on the
Your prophet, Bright Anoba. Your prophet, Bright Ado. Your prophet, Bravo. Your prophet, Aaron Issa. They are all coming as a prophet of God and as an angel. So me too. I need a touch.
That's more kind of revelation. Revelation. Yanko be go 2 Kings chapter 5. Obey your prophets.
Yeah.
You will prosper.
Yes.
Also, was swimming pool, Papa will feel. But the problem now quite good. That is no problem solve.
That is a prophetic direction.
So I hear Sutia. o prophet no and that's all
also and then yeah to the miracle service and I'm afraid get back to and I make a challenge say tell me I think I was just joking that on Chemi 15,000
yeah 15,000
and the lady was amazed trouble and I said you can't have that money he said yes